Hello, my lovely viewers. How are you? Hope everyone doing great and having a good time. So today I'm gonna press barbecue chicken, the whole chicken, and also some grilled fish. They are not too small, not too big, but pretty good. So please check the description box for the marination ingredients. Pretty easy, just the herbs, and the white paste is shallots and garlics. That's all. Just rub it around inside out, and the time for grilling. So keep watching. Thank you. So the marination for fish, just garlic, shallots. I blended them smoothly, and salt and pepper and coriander powder. Simply easy but delicious. And for the chicken, I just used some Italian herbs, which is oregano, rosemary, and basil, salt and pepper, of course, and paprika powder. That's all. Now let's blow the fire. I know it's not gonna be easy, but well, at least we're starting. My chickens are just around me because they know that I won't slaughter them for food. I bought this chicken from the market to eat, so I don't eat my own breed in the garden. So yeah, they're so happy. Now I have to close the hallway door because it's smoky and I don't want the smoke to goes inside the rooms. So I'm locked outside with the chickies. And it's actually the wrong time for barbecue because it's been raining the whole day. So yeah, wish me luck. If you can hear that, that's the rain. It's really heavy, hard. But luckily that I'm under the patio, so yeah, I'm dry. And the barbecue is covered up, so it's cooking itself in the Weber kettle grill. Look at that. The fish it's beautifully brown and the chicken is boiling hot inside the aluminum foil. So it's working even though raining outside. Ah, this one is good. It's not sticking. I should have put some oil. Mm, yeah, this one is perfect. Chicken up. It looks good. Not bad. Let's check on the chicken. Not bad. I'm gonna cover it again to steam for more time because it's okay. Letal. Okay, this is the time to get it out from the aluminum foil and put it directly to the wire. Ta-da. I think it's perfect. It's drizzling over there, so I'm gonna get it out and put it into the wire. Okay, it's gonna be hard work, but well. The fish is done though. And the chicken is already there. Slowly fry, I hope. Gonna get it a little bit away from the charcoal. As you can see, that's the gravy that drizzling out from the chicken. And I'm not gonna throw it, but it's keep it for later. Alright. It's taking a little bit slowly, but that's the meaning. I cannot put it directly to the charcoal because it's pretty hot. So a bit distance. So it's gonna keep the color beautiful, right? Look at that, the skin was peeling off a bit. This was too much heat. Now after I put it on the wire, it goes browny. So now let's check. I mean, just put it at the edge so it's not too hot. Alright, so take it slowly like that. Let that stop us. Yay! It's perfect. Almost perfect. I think I need a little bit more. Okay. So this is the final. After the long wait. Finger licking good.